Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are learning HTML list. So list helps us organize the information neatly on a web page. Let's first understand what lists are and then we'll build a small project using all of them. So what are HTML lists? HTML lists are used to group related information and present content in a neat and readable way. So HTML supports three types of list as you can see on my screen: an unordered list, ordered list, and a description list. An unordered list is used when order doesn't matter. Items are showed in the bullet points, as you can see here in the bullet points. An ordered list is used when order actually matters, okay, and items are shown with numbers, not just with numbers. There are different types that we can use, like alphabets or Roman numbers as well. Description list, the third one is the description list. A description list is used to show a term and its meaning. So now let's move to the hands-on project and see how these works in the real code. So I'm going to the one compiler here. Well, I forgot to show you in the previous videos that you can download this. Once you're done with the code, you can download this by clicking on these three dots and click on download. I'll show you once I'm done writing the code. So let's start with the basic HTML structure. We have to add a title and a soft background so the page look pleasant. Let me just quickly write HTML. Oh my bad, sorry. Okay, HTML head. Okay, so let me keep a title. Let's say I'm going to create a list of my daily routine. Okay, and not daily routine, let's say, yeah, daily routine and let's say interest. Okay, so let me keep the title as my daily life and interest. Okay, so let me remove this content and let me minimize this a little. Okay, I think this is better. Okay, so now inside the body, one second, let me put body. All right, now I just want to give a styling to this. Okay, background color, this is the thing that we have already learned. Background color, let's say sky blue. Okay, let me just quickly run it, and we got a background color here. And let me just quickly add a heading here inside the body, h1, and my heading is going to be my daily life and interest. Well, this is not about me, I'm just writing the random stuff here. So let me just quickly write the second heading. So first we'll see the unordered list. Okay, so the unordered list. Okay, so my favorite hobbies. So I'm gonna put all of them in the unordered list, and here I'm going to create a UL tag. Okay, UL tag is used for creating an unordered list. So now let's quickly add the items in it. Li is a tag that we are supposed to use to create the uh, list item. So let's say reading books. All right, let me add some emoticon here by clicking on. Okay, so to add the emoticon, you have to click on the Windows key on your keyboard. Along with that, you have to click on the full stop. When you do this, you get the pop-up, and from there you can select, okay, books. So I can just type books here and I get the books. Okay, so this makes my page more looks more interesting. So I can just write like this, and let's say playing games. Okay, let me just quickly do the same exact thing again, windows and period, and then you have to type books. Okay, my bad, games. Okay, let me quickly write game. Okay, so I'm done. So let me quickly write one more hobby. Let's say traveling. Let me make this capital, and let's add an emoticon again. Okay, so let's keep the airplane there. Okay, now let's quickly write the last one, photography. All right, so I got the emoticons for all of them. Okay, so this is an unordered list. Hobbies do not need to be fixed, so we are keeping in an unordered list. And for each hobby is written inside the li tag, that is the list item. We add, okay, so let me just quickly run this. So you can see all of my hobbies are listed, and these are in bullet points. Now let's just quickly add a line break, and let's just quickly add a OL tag, that is the ordered list. So inside the ordered list, well, I can write the list item again, and this time this is going to be an ordered list. Okay, so daily routine should be in the ordered list. So let me keep the h2 tag here as daily routine. Okay, so what is this? Wake up. I don't have to give the numbers, it will automatically be assigned. And let's say brush teeth, and let's say study, and the last one, not the last one, let's say practice coding, and sleep. Okay, so I can just run it, and I get it like a numbers stuff. All right, so I can add the emoticons here as well for the hobbies. Okay, and for the daily routine as well. Okay, I'm not getting one for the daily routine. So let me quickly keep this. All right, now, so this is an ordered list. Here the order matters because these are the steps in routine. So we kept in OL tag. Now let's quickly see the description list. Okay, so let me just quickly create a one more new h2 tag. So let me keep a heading as my skills. All right, so here I'm going to define a term, and I'm going to describe that term. Okay, basically the skill and the description about it. So I'm going to use a dt tag for description term. Okay, and I'm going to make this strong. Okay, all right, because this is something that is important, so I'm going to put it in the strong html. This is skill, and I should come down here, and I need to write dd tag. Let me write the content about it. Used to style, oh my bad, used to create, that is for CSS. Used to create the structure of web page. All right. Okay. Now what I can do, I can just copy this. Okay. And I can simply change this to CSS. Okay. And instead of create, used to style and design the web page. Okay. So this is done, and let's quickly write the last one, JavaScript. Okay, so used to add interactivity, add interactivity to the web page. Now let me just quickly run it. Let me add my skills here, an emoticon for it again. Skills. Okay, so for skills it is giving something like a ninja. Okay, let me add that. Okay, so you can run it. When you run it, you get it like this. Okay, so term and its description, term and its description. Well, if you want, you can actually add a line break here. Line break. You can copy the same thing and you can paste it here. All right, let me run it. So your page is ready. All right, so this is all you need to know. Now, one more thing I would like to show here is that you can, for the ordered list, you can actually change the type of it. So you have to write type equals to A, let's say. I'm writing A, and let me quickly run it. So when I'm running it, okay, so it's taking little time to. All right, you got A, B, C, D, E. All right, so you can actually change this to small a, okay, or you can change this to Roman, anything. All right, so it's up to you, and you can click on this and you can download this file. Once you are downloading, you will be able to find it in downloads. Well, let me quickly go to my downloads. You can see here, I can just quickly open it, and my page is here. All right, and what else I can do here is that I can go to the downloads, right click and open with VS Code, or open with cursor, or open with any other app, okay, or open in a notepad. I can also open in a notepad, edit in notepad, so you can do the editing in notepad also. All right, so that's all you need to know. So today you learned about 3 types of HTML list, and how to control the order style as well. So in the next video, we'll learn introduction to CSS. So if you like it, please like.